So in this video, we are just going to solve a set A 1 marks questions from March 2023 एग्जाम. सो यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम दिस एग्जाम, लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज at given place the horizontal and vertical component of earth are equal, the angle of dip at that place will be. वो दोनों इक्वल होंगे तो द एंगल ऑफ डिप होगा वो 45 डिग्री होगा. सो बी इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, that is two atoms have same atomic number but different atomic masses. Same atomic number but masses are different, they will be isotopes. The next one is stopping potential for photoelectrons depends upon. स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल किस किस चीज के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? देखिए, स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल उसको स्टॉप करने के लिए जो एनर्जी चाहिए कि वो आता है. तो एक तो वो फ्रीक्वेंसी के ऊपर होगा, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट लाइट, एंड दूसरा मटेरियल ऑफ द कैथोड. दोनों चीजों के ऊपर वो डिपेंड करेगा. सो यहाँ पे जो सी है वो राइट ऑप्शन है, बोथ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इंसिडेंट लाइट एंड मटेरियल ऑफ द कैथोड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in intrinsic semiconductor at room temperature, the number of electrons and holes are, since semiconductor is intrinsic, so no impurities are added to this, so at room temperature both electrons and holes are equal. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves with frequency in the range of, these lies in gigahertz range. Next is the junction diode D is forward or reverse biased in the given diagram. You can see the diagram here, and in this diagram, this is a P part of this and this is N. P or N means it is connected to the higher potential and it is connected to the lower potential. Since negative part must be connected to the lower potential in forward bias, so this is a forward bias. So this is forward bias. The answer, correct answer for this is forward bias. It is not necessary to be negative and positives, just potential difference, one at higher potential and another at lower potential. And the next seventh question is write the relation between radius r and mass number a of the nucleus. It's a simple relation, that is r radius, that is r not constant, a raised to the power 1/3, where r, this is the radius, and a is the mass number. Next is, if a is equal to 1 and b is 1, find the value of y in the adjoining logic circuit. This is AND gate. If both a and b are 1, then y will be, we know that y will be 1 because this is a and b. Y is a and b. So this is 1. Next question is question number 9. This question says the mass of an electron is m and has charge e if the electron is accelerated by a potential difference of v. Then write the formula for the de Broglie wavelength associated with it. So we know that formula for de Broglie wavelength is h upon 2 mev under the root, where v is the potential here, or we can write at the place of this, that is 12.27 divided by under root v, because all these are constant. H is constant, 2 is constant, m constant, e constant, and if we calculate values of all these constant, that comes out to be 12 into 2.7 and by under root v into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. And in this way we can write that this lambda is equal to 12.27 divided by under root v angstrom. Next question is, are Kirchhoff's rules applicable to both AC and DC? Yes, these are applicable. So answer is yes. Next is, Tesla is the unit of magnetic field intensity. Next, the magnetic flux passing through a ring is increased from phi1 to phi2 at a constant rate in time t. The value of induced electromotive force will be. We know that induced electromotive force is change in flux divided by time, and that is opposite to the field. So we can write E is equal to minus K, that is phi 2 minus phi 1 divided by t. So this is the simple relation for that. Next question is, electrostatic force between 2 point charges in vacuum is F. If the charges are kept at the same distance in water with dielectric constant K, which is equal to 80, then the force between them will be. We know that dielectric constant, say K, that is equal to force in vacuum divided by force in medium. Here we are taking water. This implies that force in water that will be equal to Fv upon K. K is dielectric constant. So the answer will be Fv upon 80. Next question is the SI unit of conductivity. SI unit of conductivity, that is mho per meter. Conductivity, we are talking about conductivity, which is reciprocal of resistivity, mho per meter, or sometimes it is also written like this, that is ohm inverse per meter. The next question, that is 15th question, is the velocity of electromagnetic waves in free space can be given by the relation, that is velocity of electromagnetic waves, that is simply c, and we know that this is equal to 1 by under root mu naught into epsilon naught. So this is the velocity. Now next is section B, which is of 2 marks. For 2 marks, there is another video, you can watch that. Since we are discussing code A here, for different codes, there are different videos. You can watch that.